guys, it's Sadie. I'm so excited for this video. I am doing one of my favorite things to ever do on this planet, and that is decluttering and organizing my room. As you guys know, I used to live in my school apartment in Waterloo, and then I had to take everything back because I'm not going back to that same apartment. So I kind of just combined all of my stuff, and now things don't fit in this room. I have less storage, and now all of my little containers that I have in my drawers, I just don't really like how that's decorated. I kind of just want to declutter everything. Now I'm going to do it all today. I am going to start and finish this today if it's the last thing I do. I've been waiting to do this. So I'm going to start with my camera equipment, like my Alex drawers. I have like 5 different camera battery chargers. Only one of them works, but I just keep them in there for fun. I'm going to be playing my fave playlist while I do this. But if you want some inspiration to clean or just have this video on in the background while you're cleaning, I love doing that. Like just having a cleaning and organizing playlist running. Just gonna move over here. Oh my gosh, not the right angle at all. The first thing that I'm going to organize is this drawer. These 2 drawers, this is like my camera equipment. This is like my editing and extra tech. Obviously, it's just not working. Like I have way too much stuff. Like I just have too much stuff. Like Sadie, stop getting stuff. I also just can't throw things out. Like I'm like, what if I need this camera tripod attachment for a tripod that I no longer own? I'm scared. So I'm just gonna start with making 2 piles, 1 pile for keep and 1 pile for throw away, and then I will reorganize all of the compartments. The next drawer that I have to work on is the hair drawer. It's just kind of crazy because I get sent a lot of hair products. So I have these 2 containers, but it's just not working. Okay, this drawer actually is not that bad at all. This is like my school drawer, but basically everything that I use is either my laptop or my iPad or in my pencil case already. So it's just like extra stuff that I literally never reach for. So I think we're good. Now it's this one, which I really don't know what to do with this. It's just odd. It has all these random things that I want quick access to. I have all of my pen needle tips. Okay, let me pull you a little closer. Hey, this is such a good angle. These alcohols, which I actually don't need these up here. This is my glasses case. The nails that I'm currently wearing, just in case they fall off and I want to like redo it. Pimple patches, Aquaphor. I have glucose, but then I have like these. I don't think I need sunglasses right next to my bed. Just a thought. But I also don't really have any other place to put them, so I'm gonna put these to the side and then see if I can get more storage somewhere else to put these. Now we're on to the big guns. This is going to be my makeup. All of these 3 drawers are filled with makeup, and I've actually gone through this multiple times in the last few months, but I just get so much PR, and sometimes like they don't really ask if you want it, and then so I end up with all of this makeup. The thing about me is when I have a good makeup routine or a good skincare routine, I just like to stick with it. Like I'm not a try new products and see if there's something better out there sort of thing. Like if it works, I'm just gonna stick with it. I get sent a lot of products, and then sometimes I don't even get the chance to try them out because I'm also scared that they're going to like break out my skin and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be really honest with myself and just get rid of the makeup that I'm not going to wear or makeup that's expired. This is a really good reminder to check how many months it says on the makeup products that you have, just because you don't want to be putting that on your face. next area that we have to do is this whole shelf. We have to just minimalize it. Is that a word? Make it more minimal. Whenever I like wake up and I see all of these like cluttered random decorations, also you can't really see, but there's like purses up there, shoes down here. Also, these bins are absolutely full with stuff. I don't even know what's in here. These bins I would love to just have for things that I reach for often, and like probably not this. So I'm going to kind of redo the decor on here. So I'm gonna start with just taking everything off. Then I'm gonna go through these bins and declutter. Is my literal underwear drawer. If I would have told my 16-year-old self that I'm going through my underwear drawer in a YouTube video, she'd literally collapse. I feel like I just have way too many socks, and also a lot of my socks are mismatched and they don't have a pair, so I think I should just throw those out because I obviously have a ton. And then some like sports bras and bralettes that are so stingy and gross that I don't wear anymore, so. I am so sorry about the atrocious lighting in my bathroom, but the next thing is going to be my skincare. And I actually did go through this recently, so it's actually pretty clear, but there's just a couple more things. I find that the more that you do declutter, the easier it gets. Like if you just do different sessions of decluttering, because then you really are like, okay, still haven't used this in weeks, I can definitely get rid of it, so you can just be more confident in that. Okay, now that I've actually decluttered my room, it is literally a feeling that I can't describe. Like, unless you know what it feels like to have something decluttered and organized, I can't explain this feeling to you. Like, I've been wanting to do this for months, and it's just when you feel that little brain clutter of just like, I know when I open this drawer, nothing's gonna be in the right place, and I just don't have the time to clean it. So I'm so glad that I could like use this as a filming day and also a cleaning day. Now I just feel like this space is so much more minimal, and it's going to be a lot easier to figure out what to bring to university, because that is actually one of my big goals, is to not overcrowd my university space, because it literally took us like 5 carloads to get the stuff from my uni apartment back into this house, and I barely used like 50% of the stuff that I brought. I'm looking forward to filming my pack with me and my move with me, so you guys can yell at me in the comments if I bring way too many things with me. Make sure to stick around and subscribe. I do so many videos like this. And if you want to shop my digital products, it is Actualizer Co on Etsy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.